Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see how to set a custom ringtone for your Android device. By custom ringtone, I mean to say that you can set a song as the ringtone of your Android device, or if you can create your own ringtone, then you can set that one as the custom ringtone. Now for this purpose I have downloaded a song, so I will set a song as the ringtone of my Android device. Now what I will do at first is I will go to Samsung folder here. I will go to my files. Now I will select internal storage. I will go to download, and this is the song which I have downloaded, and I want to set this song as the custom ringtone. So what I have to do is I have to tap and hold this song. I have to tap on this more option, move. Then I will go to internal storage. I will scroll down and I will look for the folder which is ringtones, and then I will tap on done. So this is the song which I have moved from download folder to the ringtone folder, and then I want to set this one as a ringtone. So for that one, what I will do is I will go to settings. I will go to this sounds and vibrations. I will go to ringtones. I will go to ringtone here. Now right now I have the default ringtone in my Android device, so if I want to set the custom, which is the MP3 song, I will select the MP3 song. Now I have selected the custom ringtone for my Android device. So this is how you can set a custom ringtone for your Android device. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.